What's up guys, we're here at Streets of Willow to support one of our sponsored drivers by the name of Meng, and it's a pretty packed day, so let's get started.
So yeah, we're here. Meng has a new project. He's trying to shave down as much time as possible, so we're just here to support, get some feedback, and improve his suspension, get those times down.
I think that's pretty perfect, no?
Yeah, and I'm here to record. Okay. How was that one, Meng?
That was fun.
Yeah?
2 short laps, but it was fun. Car felt great. I mean, they're the same set I had on my green one, so we didn't make any changes. We just drove it how it was from the last event, and they still feel good. I'm running on a harder tire today, on an N205 instead of N201, but less power, smaller track, but it's been fun.